What's going on, guys? Real quick before we get the video started, 2020 Armor is doing a giveaway where you guys have the chance to win one of their vests for yourself and a friend. If you guys want more details on that, make sure you guys stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm going to explain exactly what you need to do to enter in that giveaway. But for now, we're about to go to the school. I'm going to get some training in. Second one for today, I'm actually going to be using the 2020 Armor to do my warm-up. Probably going to be using like the stamina mode, the reaction mode, and then probably finish off with like some power kicking using the app to kind of record that as well. That's going to be my warm-up, and then my main workout, I'm just doing some timed rounds on the back. So if you all will enjoy the video, let's go get some training in. Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Now, if you guys want the chance to win one of these 2020 Armor vests for yourself and a friend, this is what you need to do. One, make sure you guys go to Instagram, make sure you're following myself at AlexWongTKD, and make sure you're following 2020 Armor on there. From there, there's a couple different ways that you can enter. One, go to 2020 Armor's post about this giveaway. On that post, make sure you guys give it a like, and then also in the comments, make sure you tag your friend there. That's one way you guys can enter. Another way that you can also enter is go to my Instagram, go to the video where I talk about this 2020 Armor giveaway, and on there, make sure you share that video to your story. If you do it that way, make sure you tag myself and 2020 Armor, that way we see it, and then you can also get entered that as well. Now, I'm going to put everything in the description box of this video, so if you want to look over the details a little bit more, make sure you guys check out the description box. I'll put all the details there, and I will also link our Instagram accounts there as well, so you guys can read up on all that. Those are the main two ways that you guys can enter for the giveaway, and you can do it both ways. You can do the 2020 Armor post, and you can share my post. The more times you guys share it, you guys have a little bit higher chance of also winning as well. So make sure you guys go on your Instagrams, do all of that if you want the chance to win one of these vests for you and your friend. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. Good luck if you guys enter to try to win one of these. I'll see you guys in the next video.